Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add numbering list in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add numbering list in this Publisher document. Go to the Home menu, then click on the page, then click the numbering option. Now we can see here many numbering like numbers or letters or Roman numerals. Now I select the numbers. Now we can see we added numbering list in this publisher document very easily. You can write anything on this numbering list. Now I write anything. Press enter to start or continue the number list. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.